In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Microsoft Teams. If you've been using Teams in dark mode and you're finding it a bit hard to read, or you just prefer a brighter interface, switching back to a light theme only takes a few clicks. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Microsoft Teams. This can be the web version in your browser or the desktop app. The steps are the same. Once Teams is open and you're on the main screen, look towards the top right corner of the window. You should see your profile picture or initials, and nearby there will be a small icon with 3 dots. This 3-dot icon is sometimes called More Options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. When you click the 3 dots, a menu will drop down with several options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. It's usually near the top of the list. Click on Settings to open the main settings panel for Microsoft Teams. A new window or side panel will appear, showing different categories of settings on the left side. You might see things like General, Notifications, and so on, depending on your version. Here, you want to find and click on the section called Appearance. This is where Microsoft Teams keeps all of its display and theme options, including dark mode. Once you're in the Appearance section, you'll see different theme choices. Typically, there will be options like Default, Dark, Armlock, and Light. If you're currently in dark mode, you're probably on the dark theme right now. To start changing that, first click on the option labeled Default Theme. This sets Teams back to its standard appearance, which is a neutral base that's neither fully dark nor extra bright. After you've selected the default theme, you'll also see the option labeled Light. Click on Light to switch Microsoft Teams into the full light mode. As soon as you select it, the interface should update automatically. Your background, sidebars, and chats will become brighter, with dark text on a light background, making things easier to read if you prefer a lighter workspace. That's all you need to do. You've successfully turned off dark mode in Microsoft Teams and switched to a light theme. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same appearance settings and choose